Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we're going to just give a quick update to the controversy that has been happening for the last day to 2 days. So as many of you know by now, there was some confirmation by CXC that cabinet containing some 9 exams was stolen in Jamaica. Okay, and so they released a statement talking about that particular issue. 2 statements. So we'll go through the 2 statements, and then so you'll know what we're working with here. So, secure fireproof cabinets containing examination papers stolen in Jamaica. On Wednesday, 14th June 2023, the CXC was informed that fireproof cabinets containing examination papers for 9 subjects scheduled to be administered this week were stolen from a school in Jamaica. So this week being the week of the 14th, 15th, 16th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. Right? So this is of grave concern to CXC, and the matter is being investigated by the Ministry of National Security and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF. Now, CXC is in constant contact with the Ministry of Education and Youth in Jamaica, and an update was shared with the Ministries of Education from across the region at a meeting earlier today, being the 15th. CXC is determining the course of action, and it will communicate with the Ministries of Education today, again the 15th. Further information will be shared as it becomes available. So that was the response by CXC for concerns that 9 exams were stolen from in Jamaica. So Jamaica is guilty of this again. They were the ones guilty for the initial leak of the math paper 2, and now this is happening again in Jamaica, where they stole a cabinet with the exams. Now, the response from CXC, the Caribbean Examination Council, CXC, advised all stakeholders that the following consultation with Ministry of Education across the region this morning, that the regional examination will be administered as scheduled. So nothing changing to this date, right? So you have a timetable, follow it as is. Nothing is going to be changed as yet. To date, there has been no confirmation that the secure, fireproof cabinet containing examination papers, which was stolen from a school in Jamaica, has been compromised. CXC reassures candidates that their best interest continues to be at the center of the organization decisions and processes, and wishes all candidates well in their examination. The police is continuing their investigation in Jamaica. So what they're saying here is that somebody stole a cabinet that they can't really access per se, and so for the time being, the exams are just missing and they're in the cabinet, and the person is unable to open the cabinet right now, or there's no proof that they opened the cabinet. So there isn't any questions circulating via social media, anything to show that okay, this is an exam that should be administered this week. So the person, I don't know if it's still struggling to open the cabinet or whatnot. I mean, it's like it's still in an ATM and you can't get into the ATM, or it's still in a safe and you can't get in the safe, right? So kind of movie drastic drama right there. So we ain't really want, I hope they don't get it open until exams finish. We're so close to the end. Let's just get this thing done, get it out of the way, and move on from this year, this 2023 year of the breaches, the year of the breaches. So for the time being, exams are going to continue as scheduled. There's no evidence that, well, at least of the making of this video, there's no evidence that the papers were leaked. They're still in the cabinet, because I guess it's a real secured cabinet. So then the man left the whole cabinet gone with everything, like he's still in the whole ATM to get some bucks, you know. So that's just the kind of comedy that I could picture happening with that thing, right? So that's where they're at for now. So just let me know what you think about this situation. Let me know what you think about Jamaica being guilty again for this breach of no breach, if you want to put it like that. And let me just say, come on people, we can do better than that. Let's do better. Be better. Don't go out and try to spoil for everybody across the region. That is so unfair. That is so not cool, right? Study, do your best, and if you happen to fail, then try again. Just try again. You can try as many times as you want in CXC. Even when you're old, you still try, right? So don't be trying to spoil anything, because what are you going to benefit by passing an exam, going to the world of work, and then you can't perform, or going to Cape and then you don't know what's going on in Cape, or going to university and you lost to all? right? It doesn't benefit anybody, it doesn't benefit you. So this is not the right way of doing this. And anybody who might want to engage in, let's say, buying of leaked material or things like that, do better. Let's all just do better as it comes to this. Man, some of the funniest stories I've had from some of my peers would be gone in a maths exam. Exam so hard. All you do is just put your head on the desk and just sleep through the whole exam. You sleep, when the invigilator tell you time up, you give up your paper, your name on it, and that's it. That's just something you could look back and laugh on, right? You don't need to go to this extreme where we're cheating and things like that. We don't need that, right? There's humor to be found if an exam just knock you out. You don't say, hey, brush yourself off. Let me try again. Let me come back again. Let me try January. You fail January, let me try May, June again. So this doesn't really help anyone, right? So anybody thinking about it, perish the thought. Let's study hard. Let's do our best. Let's not make everybody else suffer for the minority, the dishonest minority, because I know majority of our students are not like that. We are not into not cheating. We study hard. We want to see, okay, I did this all this studying. Let me see what I can do on the paper now. Let me test myself, because I did what I could do. Let me see if I could get me 1 on my own. Let me see if I get me 2, whatever. I get 3. If it's a strong 3 and I work hard for the 3, I gonna wear it with proud, right? That's just how some of us are built out there. We're not into this cheating thing, all right? So let's just done away with that and move on. So that's just my quick update on that. So stay tuned. If there's a change, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Happy exam ending.